to 5-point lead. And Camacho, deep 3. Bang! Another 3! Camacho! Kasi, pass to Melencio, fakes. Dribble the ball, the bounce pass. Ponyo, open look. Bang! Pacunyo! Pass to Estil. He stop, pull up J. Bullseye! Join Harry. Pull up jumper. The tips in and the finish by Kaas. Welcome to Abra Intertown, San Juan versus San Isidro. Solid North in first ball possession, San Juan at the corner. He goes to the wings, dribbling the ball, pass to Estil, launches on 3 off the target. Rebound by Bersamina, pass back Estil. He fires, rejected. And here's Melencio. Passes to Kaasi, inside pass. Pass back, Kaasi fakes, clutch, fires. Bullseye, first block. San Juan. Receive, Bersamina, fires a 3. Ibang! So at the top, at the logo, he stop, pass to the middle. Kaasi. Stop, kicks out. Melencio fires a 3. Short. Rebound by Matias to Estil. Estil now, crossover move. He goes to the middle. Corner pass, fakes. He decided to take it easy. He stopped. He passes to the middle. Corner pass. Bersamina again for 3. Bang! Melencio at the logo area. He stopped. Passes to the middle. Pull up J. Basket and 1. And 1-point lead for Team San Juan. Bersamina. Pass to Matias. Pull up jumper at the baseline. Won't go. Battle for rebound. Pacunyo the rebound to Melencio. Melencio in Harry. Pull up jumper. Won't go. The tips in and the finish by Kaas. And the pass break. Stop, pull up J. Yes sir. To 1-point lead for Team San Juan. Melencio. Pass to King. King step back. Fakes. Pull up J3. Bang! San Juan still now receives the ball. He dribbled the ball. He passes to the wings. Bersamina fakes. Goes to the baseline. He is stopped. Pass to number 7 to the middle. Matias the floater rejected by King. And he stopped. Pull up J again. Bullseye. Inbound. He passes to Kaasi. Now Kaasi at the middle. Pass to the wings. Fakes. Melencio drives. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Pacunyo. Long pass. Stop, Kaasi. Pass to Melencio, fakes. Dribble the ball, the bounce pass. Ponyo, open look. Bang! Pacunyo. Is number 10. Pass to Estil. Stop, pull up J. Bullseye. Yes, 16-15 and now San Juan up by 1. Cross pass to number 8. He dribbled the ball. Behind the back dribble. He goes to the middle. He stop. He pass to Melencio. Inside pass to Kaasi. Kicks out. Number 8 to Melencio. Melencio. Pass to the wings. Fires at 3. Off the mark. Battle for the rebound. Tips in. Won't go. Rebound King. Pull up J. Falling away. Back to number 10. 10 now. Setting the play. Sisinyas dito ng play. Pass to number 15. 15. Pass to number Estil for 3. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. Goes to Team San Isidro. Melencio now with the receive. He dribbled the ball. Ibababa ang bola. He stopped to the wings. Fires at 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. For San Isidro. Camacho now. Pass to Bersamina. Pass inside Estil. Corner pass. Camacho kicks out to Bersamina. To Estil. Estil di distansya. Stop. Deep 3. Short. Bang! Pero Macho. Cross pass to Bersamina. To the middle. Still open. Look for 3. Bang! And here's King the receive. Pass to the middle. Number 8. He attacks. Fires. Won't go. Too strong. Bersamina the rebound. Pass to Camacho. Pass to Estil. Fires at 3 again. Bang! At the logo area. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Fakes. Open look. 2. No good. And here's Camacho. Camacho at the wings area. Cross pass to the middle. Open look for 3 again. Bang! Yes! And here's Melencio. Mutuano for 2. Bullseye. The answer. And here's number 8. Pass to Melencio. Picks. Stop. Pull up J. Bullseye. Melencio. Point lead. Still. Pass to Camacho. Camacho. He goes to the middle. To Estil. Deep 3. No good. And Melencio, 2-on-1. Inside pass na libre. Bakit? Down to 26 ang score natin. Number 15 to Estil. Estil against number 8. Goes to the screen. Bounce pass corner. Bersamina for 3. Too strong. Melencio. Melencio stop. Pull up J. Bullseye. Tie. Melencio with the ball. He stops. Pass to Mutuano. Pull up J. Bullseye. Mutuano. For the backdoor inbound. Bersamina. No look pass inside. Camacho. Sinausaw. Melencio cross the mid lane. Stops. Picks. Push to the wings. Picks. Pass back Melencio. Melencio goes to the wings. He attacks. Pinabitin. Pull up game. Mutuano. Bullseye. And we are tied at 32. Melencio to Mutuano. Deep 3. Bang! Again! And it's number 21. Goes to the wings. Attacks. Kicks out. Open look. Picks. Camacho. Kicks out. Drives. Ramos for 3. Bang! 3 points. Melencio bounce pass. Pigs. And lost the handle. Camacho. Camacho. He pass. Liz rejected. Ronquillo. And the pass to King. King. Pinasa. Fires. Yes, sir. And the pass. Camacho. Bounce pass to the middle. Attacks. Machas. Fires off the glass. Bakit? And this Pacunyo. Pacunyo goes to the middle. He attacks. He lays. Pinabitin pa. Bakit? Ang Pacunyo pass to Melencio. Melencio between the legs. He goes to the screen. To the middle. Inside pass. Kicks out. Almost stolen. Recovered by Melencio. Pass to King. Destacamento drives. To the Remosi. Nausaw! And still bump against Pacunyo. Create space. Pass to number 21. Open look. Ramos. Pass back. Still deep 3. Bagan. Destacamento. Pass to Abella. Abella. Pass to Pacunyo. Pacunyo. Goes to the screen. Corner pass. Abella. Pass to the middle. Open look. No good. And wala pa rin. Ito na, still is Vermilio, yes sir. Cunyo at the top. Goes to the middle. Goes to the screen. Corner pass. King. Inside pass. Melencio far off the window, yes sir. And it's still between the legs. Against Pacunyo. Goes to the screen. He stops. Cross pass to number 21. Inside pass. Pull up jet the baseline. Bakit? Machas. Bounce pass to the wings. Abella. Attacks against number 9. Creative space. Kicks out. Kings. Destacamento drives to the hoops of the glass. Grabe. Number 21, Vermilio. At the logo area. He passed to Estil. Estil against Pacunyo. Against 2 defender. Pass to the wings. Machas. Machas drives to the baseline. Ball is stolen. Baseball pass. Melencio. To the hoops. Pinasa. Bakit? And Melencio spins. 8 seconds on the game clock. He bump. Corner pass. Pinabitin. Bakit? Abella. And 1 second. And that's the end. And here's Melencio. Cross pass to Pacunyo. Open look for 3. Bang! Pacunyo. Emilio. Cross the mid lane. Stop at the logo. Pass to Estil. Fires at 3. Bang! 3. And here's Estil. Holds the ball. Corner pass. Attacks Vermilio to the middle. Machas. Yes, sir. At the top. Sumisinyas ng play. Stops, spins. Pass to Kasi. Cavs attacks, natapikan. Pass break ngayon. Vermilio against Pacunyo. Goes to the middle. To the hoops. Yes, sir. 52-51. And still, San Isidro by 1. Sa 3. For the lead. Bang! And now, up by 2 for Team San Juan. Step back for 3. Bang! To Estil. Estil against Melencio. Cross over move. Natapikan. Stolen by Melencio. Melencio 2-on-1. 3-and-1. Sinausaw na naman! Pass break ngayon. Nauna. Pacunyo. Pass to the corner. Melencio dribbling the ball. Bounce pass to King. Destacamento posting up to the middle. Open look. Kasi bullseye. Melencio, pass break ngayon. Nauna na. Lace. Oh, yes, sir. And still between the legs. Posing up. And to Bersamina. Drives. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! Kamat! Down to 2-point lead for San Isidro. Pacunyo. Against number 10. Dumasayaw. Bounce pass. Ball is stolen. Camacho. And 2-on-1, 3-on-2, tinasa pa sa packet, Tiger! Pass break, naagaw ni Estil. Estil. And the pass, corner, open look for 3. Bang! At the top, against number 10, behind the back dribble, he stops, lost the handle, he's stolen, 3-on-1 ang laban. And fast, Bersamina, too strong, and Camacho with a finish. Melencio, pass to the middle. Mutuano to Melencio. Melencio against number 10. Pass to the wings. King, Descamento sa 3. Won't go. Rebound is Bersamina. Bersamina, inside pass. To the middle. Floater, bucket. And sa sobrang ganda ng laban, walang umiscore. Picks, pass. Bucket. 5-point lead for Team San Juan. Still. And stops. Pass to Ramos. Corner. Bersamina. Behind the back. Dancing. Cross pass. Sa gitna. Pull up J. Bucket. Oh. Against number 10. Goes to screen. Oh. Ball is stolen. And the pass. Bersamina. Side step. Hook pass. Rejected. Bersamina back in for the inbound. He pass. Kicks out. Open look picks. Goes inside. Side step bounce. Kicks out, open 3, Camacho, bang! Melencio, pass to Mutuano, Mutuano, drive, to the rim, lace, basket and 1. And number 21, dribbling the ball, setting the play, pass to the wings. Bersamina, inside pass, halo pass! Melencio, pass to the middle, Kasi, to Melencio. Melencio, corner, open look for 2. Bullseye. And Pacunyo to Melencio. Cross pass. For 3. Bang! Still, pass to the corner. Open look Camacho. Bang! Camacho! To Poncho. Poncho to the middle. Inside pass, floater, bucket. Down, and Camacho, deep 3. Bang! Another 3! Camacho! And the pass, pull up J at the middle. Bucket of the glass. Sa sobrang ganda ng laban, walang nakaka-score. And stops. Pacunyo to the middle. Destacamento to the middle. Melencio. Attacks, falling away. Bullseye. And here's Bermilio. High pass, still Bermilio to Bersamina for 3. Too strong. And here's Melencio, high pass sa 3. Bang! Tumba! 81-80. Stop for 3. Bang! 4-point lead. Stop, corner pass at the baseline to the middle. Stop, pull up J. Kasi. No good. Rebound, please. And here you go, still between the legs. Di Discarte. Still against Melencio. Goes to the middle. Leg screens for 3. No good. Rebound pa rin para sa San Juan. Still pa rin. Still. Pass to the middle. Bersamina. Seconds to shoot. Far short. And stolen. And the pass. Melencio. Pass to Asi. Open floater. Yes, sir. Melencio at the top. Goes to the screen. Melencio spins to the middle. Abella. Abella inside pass. First open for the tie. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Bermilio with the ball. Di distansya. Atake. Stop, pull up J. Bucket for the lead. Here's Melencio. He stops for 3 for the lead. No good. And recover inside pass. And Melencio. Abella. To the middle. Picks. To Melencio. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Attacks for the tie. Not good. In and out. Natapikan. And it's a go. Abella for the tie. Wala pa rin. Oh. Bermilio slowly dribbling the ball. 1 minute 4 seconds. Against to the middle. Still. And San Juan is still up by 2 to the middle. Bersamina inside pass is stolen. And here's Melencio. And 49 seconds left on the game clock. Melencio against Bermilio. Goes to the screen. He stops. He pass. He stops. Inside pass for the time. No! My foul! First on the free throw, 86-84. Bucket, 1 point lead. 36.2 seconds for the tie. In and out. Rebound para sa 30 seconds on the game clock. Down to 27 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. 4-3. 1 go. Banging. Eto na. Shot clock is off. 14 seconds on the game clock. 86-85. He stops. Pass. Pass back. Deep 3. 1 go. Rebound na steal. My foul. Oh. Init na ang laro. Daw. 86-85 for the win. Uy. 1 second. 1.2 second. And the pass to the middle. And yun, okay naman.